Hello and welcome to Learning Arduino in Practical. What we talk about in this session, as you know, it's our first session, so we have a little introduction about Arduino boards. Second, which kind of Arduino is going to use, how to find Arduino IDE, and its installation. My means of Arduino IDE is a kind of software that we do program, and we do program for Arduino boards, and just install your computer and do programming. And in the next, we are going to how to connect your Arduino to your computer as a right way, as a right way. So okay, there is some Arduino models that in my idea the famous one is Arduino Uno. Uno have some kind of variety like this one. There is a little Uno too, but this Uno use a deep size IC microcontrollers. I mean, at Mega 323. And it's SMD ones. It's little one needs drivers. Some guys know it as a CH314. Don't get any worry about that. We talk about it completely. Another one is Arduino 2516. As it seems, it's bigger, bigger than Arduino Uno, and it provides some more I/O for users, and of course it's have a high clock, so it's have more speed. And another one is due that it's used as a ARM-based microcontrollers, but Mega 25 and Uno use AVR microcontrollers. But there is no difference with programming. I mean, you just install Arduino IDE, do program, and upload your program to your board. And there is no difference between your boards and you didn't need to know new languages. For example, if you are going to use AVR microcontrollers, you need to know code visions or BASCOMs or AVR Stadio. And if you like to switch your program to your ARM to an ARM-based board, you need to know Kale. So the syntax is different, but about Arduino, no. You just need to know about Arduino IDE and you do programming for all of boards. But remember that Arduinos that use ARM-based microcontroller need to voltage 3.3 volt. But Arduinos based on AVR microcontrollers, they are need 5 volts. So what is happening if you provide 5 volt for Arduino Do? Okay, no problem. It just maybe failed or it's broke down. Okay, which Arduino be selected for a start? Also, it's depend on your pocket, I mean your budget, and of course its application. But we start with Uno. We bought an Uno SMD, I mean CH314, and it's cheap and easy to find for everyone because it's learning for YouTube, and we have so many different variety of audience, so we choose some famous board. And the Arduino SMD known as a CH340 models too, so because it's used a CH314 chip to connect with USB interface with your computer. So if you have Arduino Uno, I mean it's original from Italy, you didn't need any driver, just plug USB to your computer. But if you have Uno switch, sorry. But if you have Uno CH314, you need to install a driver before install. So how to find last version of IDE? Just go to the Arduino website and download it. Okay, let me show you. I opened it before here, and here, yes, download the Arduino IDE. It's a last version of it. So there's just so many syntax: Windows, Mac, and Linux. And oh, okay, here, look here, it's ARM. You can do you know that you can upload your program with your mobile on your Arduino? No? Yes? Okay. We could program your Arduino with your mobile too. So you just download for last version of Arduino for ARM. There's a beta version here, but I didn't recommend it because we are just learners. We need to install something that it's really work correctly. So let me back here. But if you are using Arduino with CH314 chip, you need to go link below and download last driver and install it. Remember, during installation your computer didn't show any sign. My computer is like that. One thing, I use Windows 8.1 and 6040 bits ones. 6040 bits one. Okay. Here. One thing, if you are use another Arduino that you couldn't find any driver for it, you just go to this website Arduino, and there's just so many guides for, and of course drivers for your new Arduino board. Okay, I just going to connect my Arduino to my computer. I just plug in USB, and I need to know about that my Arduino board connect correctly or not. For this one, I just right click on this computer, go to properties, and go to remote device manager, go to ports, click on it, and I see here that it's yes, USB serial CH314 COM5. Remember that COM5. Close it and open my Arduino IDE. Oh yes, I didn't have last version of Arduino, but this version is work correctly for me, so I didn't need to reversion or renew my Arduino IDE. I'm going to Tools, Ports, and choose COM5. Another one, go to Tools. Another time, go to Tools, go to Boards, and choose Arduino Genuine Uno. Okay, my board correctly connect, and I can see here that Arduino Uno, my model of Arduino, and the port of my Arduino that it connect to my computer. Okay, we just connect my Arduino to my computer, and it's ready to program. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe. In next session, we start with a really program, and we do it in practical too. Thank you for watching.